everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Tamara, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I DIY these mini pillow inserts. I knew I wanted tropical prints here because I'm obsessed with turning our home into a tropical oasis, but turns out everything online was either a whole bed kit, which I don't need, the wrong size, or not worth buying after shipping and handling fees. Shein to the rescue. Shein? I don't know if I'm saying that right. I headed over to Shein's website and I found these adorable little tropical prints. They were only $5 each, so obviously I had to get them. And it was about a 3-week turnaround, so it was super quick. It didn't take too long, but I didn't measure because I trusted the one size fits all. And turns out they are quite small and they're not going to fit my bedroom pillows. But that's okay, this is where the inserts come in. My patio pillow to the rescue. Super easy, just cut the pillow in half, pin the raw edges. I tried to get as much feathers as I could back in, and then I just took the raw edges, just did a quick little sew. This gave me 2 pillows, which then I realized was too small for my pillowcases. So you'll see here I'm just taking in 2 inches, and that solved the problem. I slipped those guys in and poof, they're done. Here is the reveal. These turned out so cute. The quality is really good for $5. The material is super soft and the colors are true to the photos on their website. Overall, worth the purchase. My only complaint obviously is they are too small. Maybe I'll put them on the patio, I'm not really sure. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments if you think they're too small for the bedroom. Have a wonderful afternoon, and thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.